Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years, sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what happened to Charles Osborne, who began hiccuping in 1922 while attempting to weigh a hog. His hiccup marathon mystified doctors, as they tried and failed to find a cure for this bizarre condition. Despite this relentless ordeal, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life, even marrying twice and fathering 8 children. The hiccups only stopped in 1990, just 1 year before he passed away. His story remains a medical mystery, illustrating the incredible resilience of the human spirit in the face of inexplicable challenges. So, next time you have the hiccups, remember, it could be worse. You could be Charles Osborne.